Hey, it's Nick Bernacci.
And Max Carter at Serious Software.
Today we're going to show you 3 reports that a manager should be viewing.
All in control.
We will show you 3 reports. The first report we will show you is the financial summary. Alright, move to reports, then down to financial reports and closeouts, then slide over to standard accounting reports and open up financial summary.
Alright, now let's drag this into our screen so we can see it better. Alright, let's change the date range of our financial summary so there's more data in the page. Let's go down to date and click show detail. As you'll see, it says since last daily closeout. We'll change that to all. Go down to all, click it. Now let's go to the bottom left corner and click preview.
This is the main report in control. It is a short summary of all your finances. In the balance sheet changes under assets, it will show you your overall ARs, what your customers owe you. To the right, you will see liabilities and equity. For example, here it will show you the amount and balance for customer deposits, orders due, and etc.
Moving down under income and expense summary, it will tell you what each product category made. For example, digital prints made $17,878 and the date range that the summary is for. The income is broken down into account categories. We will show you a later report that breaks these categories down into their specific products.
Alright, let's scroll down a bit so we can see the rest of the summary. On the left, you can see information for payments received and taxes. Moving to the right, it will show you all your expenses. But note that it will not show you the expenses unless you have the accounting package. The accounting package gives you access to view your expenses and pay your bills in the system. Without it, the system will only track your profits. This is good for a manager to review daily. It will give them an overall summary. Now, as a side note, if you wanted to change the date range for the summary from this page, just move to setup, click it, and then you can change the date right here, show date. We'll cancel out.
Alright, let's take a look at the second report. This one will break down the income categories into their products. Let's go back up to reports and click on it. Slide on down to sales, slide over, and move down to sales by sales account. Click it. Let's drag this into the screen.
Alright, let's choose a date range for the sales by sales account. Move to date, click show detail. This is in the last daily closeout. We're going to change this to all, just so we have more information on the summary. Then press preview. As you can see, it shows you the specific products in each category. For example, the category digital prints is made up of rigid sign print and roll sign print. Together, both these products have made an average of $17,767.
This report would be good for managers because it shows which individual products under the categories on the summary are profiting the most. Now that we have broken down the categories in the sales by sales account report, let's look at the third and final report. Move back up to reports, click it, and go down to sales. And slide over to more sales analysis reports and click on the sales graph. Let's drag it into the middle of the screen so we can see it better.
Alright, now let's just change the date range on the graph. Down, click show detail. Arrow, we'll just do all so we have more information. Now we will just preview it. Scroll down a bit. The graph is an easier way to view sales. It is good for managers to quickly view financial data.
Well, that concludes our video on financial reporting.
Just remember, there are numerous reports you can look at. We only showed you the 3 main ones that managers should be viewing.
Max and Nick,
helping you get in control.